So question is like this, you know. Oof. Ah, this is question number one of the day. There is a triangle like this and this, this is, and there is a perpendicular from here. There is a perpendicular from here. So this is. So this is given as 5. This is given as 3. And this is given as 6. Right? And triangle is these are the vertices A, B, C, and D. Right? So this is perpendicular given to us. This is of 90 degrees. So here we apply by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Or we can say AD square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Right? Yeah. No, this will not do. This will not do. Anyway, if you want, it's okay. But if we have not done this. Yeah, send me. Let me finish in the. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got the picture. I got. You want this? This is the same question. Yeah. Yeah. There is AD. Well, AB is 3. AB is 3. BD is 3. So we got. AB is 5 square. This is 5 square. Is AD we have to find out. So AD square plus BD is 3 square. Right? So it becomes 25 minus 9 is equal to AD square. Right? Now it becomes 16. 16 is equal to AD square. So taking square root both sides, we get AD is equal to 6. AD is equal to 4. So this we got 4. Right? Yeah, yeah. In triangle, ABD. ABD. What we have to do? Okay. Find the area of triangle. Okay. So this is 4. Now Now we can get area of triangle. As we have to find area of triangle, so area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, right? Base into height, or we can write area triangle area triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2, base is BC and height is AD, right? So 1 by 2, BC is BD plus CD. So what we can write here, BC is BD plus CD into AD, right? Now we know AD is 4 and BD, so we have 1 by 2 bracket BD is 3 plus CD is equal to 6 into AD is equal to 4. Fine. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 3 plus 6 becomes 9. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18 square unit. Right? So this is how we can solve this. Since there are two sides are given in this triangle, so one side we can get by Pythagoras theorem. When we get this is the height of the triangle and this is the base, so we can get the area. Right? Okay. So what next we have? This is finding area of a triangle. This is. Can I rub that? Okay. Okay. I'm just going through that. Just wait for a while. I just saved it. Not pick. You make a cup of tea. Yeah, this question. Great. So now we have mm, Now we have question number 2. There is triangle ABC. This is triangle A, B, and C. Now there is a line perpendicular. This is the perpendicular from A to BC. This is of 90 degree, right? This angle is of 60 degree, right? And this is given as 6. This is given as 6, and this total is 8, right? So we have to find the x. Okay. So this is of 90 degree, this is of 60 degree, so this will be of 30 degree, right? So if I take if I take sine 60 degree, sine 60 degree, then it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, so it becomes P we have to find, that we call AD. So AD is here, and then we get hypotenuse is AC, that is equal to AC, right? So we can do it like this, that root 3 by 2 is equal to AD upon AC is 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 root 3, AD is 3 root 3. Then AD is, this is 3 root 3, right? And if I take cos 60 degree, then it is based upon hypotenuse. Cos, yeah, yeah, 2 and 6 is where? Yeah, no, they are on the other side of equal. They are on the other side of equal. If I do cross multiplication, then this 6 go in multiplication, right? So we can do like that also. Otherwise, you can do it in a manner which usually we do it, that you can write it like this, that root 3 into 6 upon 2 is equal to AD. 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 times 3 times 2 is 6, so you get 3 root 3 is equal to AD, right? We can do that. Now we go to cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 is equal to base is CD upon hypotenuse is 6, right? So this will go on this side. So 6 upon 2 is equal to CD. So 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. I'm not looking for the area. Uh, but we have to find this x, right? And this angle is not given us here of what? It is not 90 degrees, so we cannot consider it like of right angle triangle. So we cannot go through with the area. So what I did, I find with cos 60 degree. This is cos 60. Cos 60 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sorry, based upon sorry. Cos 60 standard angle value is 1 by 2, and base is CD, and hypotenuse is AD. Sorry, AC. So that is we have this cos is based upon hypotenuse, right? So we get three. So CD is 3. So this is the 3. This is 3 centimeter, right? When it is 3 centimeter, so this total is 8. So it becomes 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 units, not centimeter it is mentioned. So this is of 5 unit, right? This is of 3 unit. We find out from here, right? So now this is 5 unit. So this is 5, this is 3. Again, using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is AB square is equal to perpendicular is 3 root 3 square, 3 root 3 whole square plus base we call BD is 5 square, 5 whole square, right? We can write here AD square is equal to, oh no, no, it's what I wrote. Oh, sorry, it's not AD. It's AB square. Hypotenuse is AB square. So we write here AB square is equal to AD. I'm writing, speaking AD, writing AD. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, right? So AD is 3 root 3 whole square, BD is 5. So 5 square, AB is x. So x square, x square is equal to, this is 9 into 3, this is 9 into 3 becomes 27 plus 5 5 the 25. It's 25, right? So x square is equal to 52, right? X square is 52. So taking square root both side, taking square root square root both side. So we get factors of 52 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Again we get 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 13, right? So we can write here x is equal to 2 into 2 into 13. So this is in pair, so it will come out. So x is equal to 2 root 13. This is the answer. So value of x is 2 root 13. Is it okay? So this is how we can solve this. Yeah. You just keep doing. I'm just here. मुझे ना तो चाबी मेरी मिली नहीं। अच्छा रुपया फिर हमें बाहर है तो चीनू को है चीनू की चाबी कहाँ है चीनू को है आओ बाल्टी में डाला है so this one we have done. Should I have saved it? Yeah. Okay. So what is next? Yeah. You won't send me. Okay. Okay. Just submitting. Okay. These are okay. So these are the equations you send me. First is triangle. No, there is no root. You know, you send me this question, right? That is having that is having four equations, right? They all are quadratic equations. So no, no, you won't send me that. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, there is a solution. Yeah, there is a solution. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I did it. CD ratio 6 is equal. They have done the same thing what I did, sir. Sir, I did the same way. They they are writing there that CD ratio one, sorry, CD ratio 6 is equal to 1 is equal to 2, right? What I told you, cos 60 degree is equal to base upon hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse is cos 60 value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right? And base is CD, base is CD, right? And hypotenuse is 6. So this is the 6. So if we want to write this in ratio, if we write in ratio, right? Write in ratio, write in ratio, then the thing is same. You know, we can write 1 is to 2 is equal to CD ratio 6, or you can write CD ratio 6 is equal to 1 is to 2. But from where you get this 1 by 2? I told you that also. From where you get 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is coming from cos 60 degree. When one side is known, so we use this formula only. There is given you ratio of that, you know there is given you ratio, there is given you ratio in is you like this, that if this is a triangle, right? So this is 60 degree, if this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this is of 30 degree, then they are in, uh, I hope 1 is to 2 is to 3 ratio is given, 1 is to 2 ratio root 3, right? Root 3 is the longest side. No, root 3 is not longest. Root 3 is not longest. Yeah. 1 root 3 ratio 2. So this belongs to base, this belongs to hypotenuse, this belongs to, sorry, this belongs to perpendicular, and this belongs to hypotenuse. So since we have to find CD, so we can take in consideration these two. So B ratios H is equal to, B ratio H is equal to 1 is to 2. So this is B is, B is CD. So CD ratio 6 is equal to 1 is to 2. Right. This is we are having. This is in your book it is given you. When triangles are in this format, then their ratio of their side is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. You can see it is written on the top of your, right? Yeah. Yeah, CD upon 6, 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 ratio. 6 is given there. It's hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given you 6, na? That's why it is 6. This 6 comes from hypotenuse. 1 and 2, there is given you a ratio as per your syllabus. There is a given a ratio in a right angle triangle where one angle base angle is of 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. Then triangle have a ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2, where 1 belongs to B base, and root 3 belongs to perpendicular and 2 belongs to hypotenuse. Since we have to find base, so we will take in consideration base and hypotenuse. So base and hypotenuse ratio is 1 is to 2. Right, this is 1, this is 2. So base ratio hypotenuse is 1 is to 2. Now base is CD, hypotenuse is 6, and the ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay. That looks very easy, but on the back of the solution, there is a lot of working. Yeah. CD is base. CD is so sorry. CD is base. Hypotenuse is 6. It is given you 6. So this is yeah, it's given you like it is standard values. It is 1/2. What I told you how you get 1/2, but in your syllabus it is already given you. They will be in this ratio. They are not talking about cos 60 and all this. They are that I told you, right? But in your book there is written that if two triangles are like this, then their sides are like this, and if triangle is like this, this is of 90 degree, and this is of 45. This is of 45 degree. This is of 45 degree. Then this is of 45 degree. Then 1 root 2. Then sides are in ratio 1 is to 1 is to root 2. So this is given you this ratio, and according to question you can solve that. It is given, it is given. If you want to ask me, then I can tell you because of you know this is the angle 45. So tan 45, cos 45 is, if I talk about tan 45, tan 45 degree, then we get perpendicular upon base. So they tan 45 is 1, right? So therefore these two sides perpendicular upon base are equal, right? So when they are P upon B, right? P upon B cross multiplied, so P is equal to B. Then ratio between them is P upon B is equal to 1 upon 1. So there is 1 is to 1 ratio, right? And and when we take you know tan if I take sine 45 degree, sine 45, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Since we have taken this is consideration, so this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, right? Sine 45 value is 1 upon sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. It means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? So there will be P ratio H is equal to 1 root 2, 1 root 2, right? And P ratio B is equal to 1 is to 1. So in all we can write that P ratio P sorry we can go like that. B ratio P ratio H is equal to 1 ratio root 2, right? This is how we get it, by this method. By this method, we get the ratio between perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then we get the ratio between perpendicular and base, and then we, combine. I hope we got it. No, if you want to work, if you want to work, then we have to use trigonometry. And for since there are standard angles are given to us, right? So since the trigonometry we have to use here, and get, if one side is known, if one side of a triangle is known, if yeah, if one side, if one side of triangle is given, and angles are given, angles are given, then by using trigonometry, by using trigonometry, trigonometry can find other sides, can find other sides, and other sides, and whatever ratio is given to you, that is also from there. These two ratios, this is for isosceles triangle, and this is for right angle triangle with 60 degree and 30 degree. These two ratios are also from there itself, that they are finding from there, and then they are applying this as per the question. Okay. Yeah. If trigonometry is this sine theta, cos theta, this kind of thing, when we are using tan, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, sine for 45 degrees, so this is part of trigonometry. Standard angles values are there, but you have to, learn this, as per your syllabus. You learn this ratio for isosceles triangle, for isosceles triangle, isosceles right angled right angled triangle, the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to root 2, is equal to base ratio perpendicular ratio hypotenuse. And right angled triangle, right angled triangle with with base angle, one angle 60 degree, one angle one angle of 60 degree, right angle triangle, one angle of 60 degree, then there is ratio, then ratio is 1 is to root 3 is equal to 2, that is base ratio perpendicular ratio hypotenuse. You can use this, you can learn this, and by this you can solve. Yeah, this is when one angle is of 60 degree. In a, it's very obvious that if there is a right angle triangle, right, this is the right angle triangle, When it is a right angle triangle, so this angle will be 90 degree. This angle of 60 degree we given us, so obviously this will be of 30 degree. This is given us because right angle triangle. This is given us 60 degree, so this will be of 30 degree. And in this triangle, the ratio is this, right? Not to be worried. Just keep the thing, this thing in mind. Got it. Okay, which is, yeah. Should I rub this? I can do now. Okay. So I'm just going to say, send me the question what you want to ask. I'll tell you as per your study, as per your. Yeah, yeah. Question number four. Just wait. I hope you send me, and I got it also. Yeah, yeah. This one, very nice, very nice. I'll do it in your manner. What you want. This is question number four. This is question number four. I'll do it in your manner as you want. You know. So this is a triangle. This is a triangle like this. This is A. This is A. This is B. This is given to C. Okay, fine. And there is a perpendicular. There is a perpendicular from A to BC. This is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. This is D, right? And as per the question, it is given you. This is of 90 degree. This is of 45 degree, right? So this will also be of 45 degree, right? And it is given you 2 root 6, right? And this total is given you 3 root 3, right? This is the hypotenuse, and this is the and this we take this is hypotenuse, and this we take suppose base. So as I to and uh, this is isosceles iso isosceles right angled triangle, right? So there is we have base ratio perpendicular ratio hypotenuse is equal to 1 is to root 2, right? So if we want to get this B first, CD first. So we take uh, these two in consideration first. So that is B ratio H is equal to 1 ratio root 2, right? since in this triangle hypotenuse is given us, and first we are finding this CD base. This is the angle of consideration. So because of that, that is the base and that is CD. So I write here CD ratio. Hypotenuse is 2 root 6. So I take here 2 root 6 is equal to 1 is to root 2. Right? So this is the ratio given us. This is the standard value. This is given us as a part of formula. When it is a isosceles right angle triangle, then ratio between base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. This is given us, right? So now we are going CD upon E 2 root, yeah, CD is 1 upon root 2, right? So cross multiplied, so CD is equal to 2 root 6 upon root 2, and root 2 6 means 2 root 2 into root 3 upon root 2. So this root 2 and root 2 is gone. So CD is uh, CD is uh, CD is 2 root 3. CD is 2 root 3, right? CD is 2 root 3, so we got 2 root 3 here, right? And total is 3 root 3. So 3 root 3, so here is 3 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 becomes root 3. So this side is of root 3. BD is of root 3. BD is of root 3. Fine. Now we have, you know, now I'll take uh, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to, again, 1 is to root 2. Right? Again 1 is to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 1 is to root 2. So perpendicular is, we have to AD. So AD ratio hypotenuse is 2 root 6. So this is 2 root 6 is equal to 1 ratio root 2. So is equal to AD is equal sorry, we can write it AD upon 2 root 6 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So we bring it on the other side. So 2 root 6 means root 3 into root 2 into root 3 upon root 2. Got it? So this root 2 and root 2 is gone. So we get AD is also 2 root 3. ठीक है? Right? So, or basically, we have a concept in isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. So, since we can say that in in isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle, isosceles right angled triangle, side opposite to equal angles are equal, right? Therefore, CD, CD is equal to AD is equal to 2 root 3, right? So this is 2 root 3, this is 2 root 3, right? Now, so BD is root 3 and AD is 2 root 3, right? Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, by by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BD square. AD square, AD square, AD square. Now we have AD. Oh my God, what I'm doing, man? I have to write here AB. Every time making mistakes. This is AB, this is AD, this is BD. You know. So AB is equal to X. That is given as X. That we have to find. So X square is equal to BD is root 3. Root 3 whole square plus AD is 2 root 3 whole square. 2 root 3 whole square. So we get root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root 3 square is 4 into 3 becomes 12. This is 12. We get 15. 3 plus 12 is 15. So x square is equal to 15. Taking square root both sides. So we get x is equal to root 15. No other value we have. So this is the value of x. I hope you got it now. So x is root 15. We cannot further solve it. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. In this, in this way, you have to just keep in mind this ratio. How you are getting that, that is not required. You put this ratio, get the value, and get the solution. So obviously it is quite easy. But what I am telling you, first how this ratio we got, and then we are solving. So definitely it's going to be complicated. I'm trying to teach you from one step ahead. So, but anyway, if you are convenient with this, so no problem at all. Uh, root two, yeah, yeah. You know this. We use the ratio and get the sides. Okay. So should we go for the next, or we should call off now? Huh. Yeah. You have to study with some other teacher also. What what he or she is teaching? You are studying with some other teacher also. Okay. 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 So this is we have. I hope you now very much convinced with the concept which I told you. So you have some other questions, or we should call off. You send me some questions on contact. Yeah, we have. Yeah, first, second, third, right? So, madam, the equation which you send me, you want the solution. You want the solution of this. Yeah, they all are of same kind. They are quadratic equations, you know. I hope quadratic question, but you are, madam, what is the in your since you are, madam, what they are asking for? Any one of these, you know, x square minus 5x plus 7. So what? Yeah. Hello. Mhm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So what we have to find there? Value of x or factors? What is question basically? Okay. 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 Again, we have to go back on the same thing what we have done, right? That's it. Yeah. Yeah. You know question number 5 now of the day. Y is equal to y is equal to 3x squared plus 7x plus 1. Fine. As we go, coordinate of vertices vertex are coordinate of vertex coordinate of vertex are minus b upon 2a and minus d upon 4a, right? This is so here value. What the hell is this? So you know in this equation a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 1, right? Right. So for getting the coordinate of x, coordinate x, coordinate x coordinate of vertex, x coordinate of vertex, then we have minus b upon 2a, right? So it is b is minus 7 upon 2 into 3. It becomes minus 7 upon 6. Minus 7 upon 6. Right? This is. So this is the coordinate of x. And now coordinate of y. For getting coordinate of y coordinate, y को y वो coordinate of vertex, then we can use this formula, or we put the values y is equal to 3 bracket minus 7 upon 6 whole square plus 7 into minus 7 upon 6 plus 1, right? So we got it. We got, you know, minus 7 is 7 square is 49. So 3 into 49 upon 36 plus plus minus minus. So minus 49 upon 6 plus 1. This is 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So we get 49 by 12 minus 49 by 6 plus 1, right? When we take, now we take an LCM is 12. So we get, yeah, yeah, negative sign, because but this negative sign plus minus minus, so I put there minus. I won't put minus here, right? 49 over 12 minus, there is equal. There is equal. There is no. It is positive. It is positive. So this is 12. So it is 49. 49 minus 98. It is, 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 2 is and 49 is multiplied by 2. So we get 98 plus this is, 12. 12. So what we do basically, we add this 49 and 12. 9 plus 2 becomes 1 and 1. This is 61, right? Now 61 minus 98. Okay, 12. This is this is not this is okay. So 98 minus 61, we get 7. And no, it will be when we minus it, we get 7 and 3 minus 37. So y is equal to minus 37 upon 12. So this is the coordinate of vertex. 37 is a prime number, so it will be not divisible. So coordinate of vertex. So coordinate of vertex are. So coordinate of vertex are. So coordinate of vertex are. Oh my God. No, no. The coordinate of vertex are minus 7 upon 6, comma minus 37 upon 12. Right? These are the coordinate of vertex. Right? Yes. which triangle one? You send me? You're sending. Okay. Should I rub this? Yeah, I got. Oh, this. Very good. Yeah, yeah. So this is question number 6. You know, there is a, we can say, a rectangle is there. It is basically a trapezium. It is like this, like this, like this, right? And this is going beyond this, and then it is like this. This is the 4, right? This is the 4. So if I draw a perpendicular here, can I make another diagram? Yeah, like there. Here is, here is, this is 4, then there is a line, then it is of 7, then it is of 7, and then we have like this, and there is a perpendicular from here, there is a perpendicular from here, right? So it is given us, this is of 4, this is total of 7, right? 7. All angles are of 90 degree. All these angles are of 90 degree. So it is a rectangle. So if this is 4, so this will also 4, right? A, B, C, D, and E. So A, B, C, D will be rectangle. Hello. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD will be rectangle, right? A. Oh no. AECD. This is AECD. AECD is a rectangle. Fine. And so AD is equal to EC is equal to 4. This is property of rectangle. Property of rectangle. Right? These two sides will be equal. So AD is equal to EC. So this is 4 and this is total 7. So this will be 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So this will be of 3. Right? This angle is given you, this is of 90 degree, this is of 60 degree, right? This is of 30 degree. So triangle ABE is right angle triangle. Right angle, right angled, right angled triangle. Right? So in this, I told you, you know, I told you base, ratio hypotenuse, ratio base, ratio perpendicular, ratio hypotenuse is equal to 1 is to uh, 1 is to what I told, 1 is to root 3 is to 2, like this. Yeah, right? So now we have to find this is 60 degree is given, so we can get this is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. Fine. So we can get the ratio of perpendicular ratio hypotenuse is equal to root 3 upon root 3 ratio 2, root 3 ratio 2, right? Now now oh no, we have to find this hypotenuse, that is x, right? So we will take ratio of base upon hypotenuse, so base ratio hypotenuse is equal to 1 is to 2, right? And base is 3 is equal to x is equal to 1 is to 2, right? This is the base, this is the hypotenuse. So base ratio hypotenuse is equal to 1 is to 2. Base hypotenuse 1 is to 2. I put the value, base is BE. So BE ratio AB. So this is, so 3 upon x is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore x is equal to 6 unit. Did you get this? Did you understand me?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You got it? Okay. Yeah? Yeah. Sorry, I can't hear you. What do you have some other question? Yeah. Okay. Okay. If this is 7, this is 12. So this will also 12, 7 because it is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. It is 7. It remains 7. So this will be 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So we get 5 here. So this base is 5 now, right? So again we do the same way, that B ratio H is equal to 1 is to 2. So B is 5. The H means X we have to find is equal to 1 is to 2. So 5 upon X is equal to 1 upon 2. So X is equal to 10. Did you understand? So this is we have. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye.